Alright guys, gonna make it super quick, super fast video. Now you all know I have the Dominator Platinum 2 8 gig sticks that I had put in my new gaming desktop. It worked very well, very good. Decided to pick something up. The issue I'm having, not really even an issue, the complaint, if you will, everything in my damn computer is now black. I can't really tell what the heck is what in there. The heatsink, or the aluminum bracket here that covers the heatsink module there, it's kind of like a silvery metallic cover. It's okay, it doesn't light up or anything. I was kind of hoping, like I said in my other video, that it would light up here. It does not. So I'm like, okay, whatever, that's fine, that's great. So, get this out of here. I've already decided what I'm going to do, and I've already fixed it. So, this is from CableMod. I got it on Amazon probably about 34 and change, so it was about like 35, 36 bucks after tax, whatever. Wasn't bad at all. Was not bad at all. And like I said, I've already installed them on the sticks, and I've been using it for a couple days just to make sure they were okay. I'll pull it out here for you real fast. And I will show you them lit up. Now, these guys, these are the originals from the Corsair memory. I just put them in the case so I can keep it all together in case they decide to go back to it at some point, whatever it might be. But in this kit, you do get clear, green, blue. I do have the red installed, plus you get orange. Okay, I'm going to show you the orange because they'll probably stand out a little bit better on the camera. But the way it works, and I'll show you on a module here just in a second. Basically, there's little cutouts at the top of the RAM sticks where these will actually just meet flush with the top of the replacement cover that they come with, and they light up thanks to the white LEDs that are on the Corsair memory here and here. They work very good. I'm actually quite pleased with them. I might change out the colors, you know, every once in a while. We'll see. Let me skip the video here for just a second. I'm going to grab the memory. I'm going to show it to you real quick. I'll pop it in the computer and show you actually what it looks like. So we'll be back. Okay. So this is it. I went with the white. Now, there are two options available on Amazon. There's a black and a white version. I went with white. Like I was saying just a few minutes ago, everything in my computer is black. The power supply unit, motherboard, video card, every solitary thing that, well, for the most part, that's black, or can be black, is black. Looks nice, looks cool, but I want to kind of throw it off a little bit, kind of get some contrast in there. Now, here's, like I said, I put the red ones in. Here's where they stick out through. Okay, no logo, no nothing here. That's quite okay with me. I don't care. The way they work, I was going to do a video of taking these off, putting the new ones on, doing a bunch of different colors and that. Started doing it, and they're kind of a pain in the butt. The Allen key that they give you in the kit, it's okay. It slips a lot. It took me way longer than I was anticipating, so I said, no, I'd forget it. I'm just going to do a general review on it, and we'll leave it be at that. But long story short, on each side, here, one side will be a female end of the screw, one's going to be a male end, and they basically just screw together. Not too bad, not realistically not bad at all. It's just very tedious, especially with the Allen head that they give you. It's kind of terrible. I had to go break out the toolkit, find a better Allen set that would actually fit it, and it worked so much nicer. So it kind of frustrated me a little bit, so I said, okay, I'm done with this for right now. But realistically, I mean, it gives it the same amount of weight. It's still aluminum. Doesn't add any cheapness or anything, I would say, to that effect. If you want to compare the aluminum next to it, I'm going to call it aluminum because it's the color it is. I mean, very similar. So not too bad. I do like it a lot. It did exactly what I was looking for it to do. Kind of threw it off a little bit in the case. Gave me a little bit of extra lighting, which I am not opposed to. You know, there gets to be a point where it's a little bit overkill. I do like them. I like it a lot. I like the kit. I will put a link in the description for the actual memory kit that I found on Amazon for this. Like I said, there is a white and a black version. I went with white. So let me skip the video here one more time. Let me pop them back in the case, in the motherboard, whatever you want to call it. Boot it up, let you see how they are lit up, and we'll go from there. But give me 1 second. Let me put them back in, and we'll be right back. All right, let me kill some of these fans, make it a little less noisy. Alright, so here they are, reinstalled. Now on the camera, or on the video I should say, they kind of look orange. Trust me, they are not. To the naked eye, it is an actual deep red. It is not orange. You can still see the white, which is kind of cool, shining at the very bottom and then top of the memory stick. So I think it still kind of shows the white, which is kind of cool. It's kind of different, but you do get the red. So what I'm going to do is, just after this video, I'm going to upload a few high-res images. I'm going to try to adjust the lighting a little bit, see if I can't get that to come out a little more red. Let me see what I can do here. There. So, a little more red. I was able to dim it down here real quick. But like I said, I will do a few other photos here. I'm going to put them in right now. So yeah, I mean, it is red. Now, yeah, like I said, I'll be changing them out every once in a while. Kind of give me a different color scheme, because I'm still going to be water cooling the video card. Found the backing plate that I want to get, but I still got to work on the water block. I got to see which one I'm going to go with here. But I think something I'm going to do, you guys can let me know what you think. Right down here. I know, it's still a mess. Leave me alone. Now, right here, I do have that Evercool hard drive. Basically, it's a hard drive bay with a cooling fan on it. But I do have my 1 terabyte and then 2 terabyte hard drive in here. Do I need them both? No. But what I'm probably going to do is get rid of that whole bay. I'm going to mount maybe the 2 terabyte drive, not the 1 terabyte. I'm going to mount the singular 2 terabyte drive somewhere on the back wall somewhere. It ends up shutting itself down after so long because I very rarely ever use it. So I don't think I'm going to have an issue with heat or anything like that. But I did find a reservoir that would fit here. Now, what I'm thinking, I was thinking about having like 2 reservoirs shooting up the top of the case, and you know what, I don't think I'm going to go through all that. It's going to be a lot of trouble, a lot of hassle. I don't think I'm going to want to mess with that. So, what I'm thinking is I'm going to still use this reservoir up here for the CPU, for the GPU. Probably put the one down here. I have 2 different colors going. I think it'll look cool. If I end up doing that, I'm going to go with a hard tube setup. I'm not going to do the flexible on that anymore. I'll redo everything. But let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel about it. If you want, it's up to you. It won't be happening for at least a little while, but we'll see. We'll see, one thing at a time. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you all are going to enjoy your weekend. Happy Father's Day to you fathers. You should call them. Alright. Have a good day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.